So the first thing he's doing, he's going to the 18th fret, pick that with vibrato, then he goes to the high E string, play that 6, and then bend on the 9th fret, whole step on the B string, and then back to the 6 on the E and then the B. So it sounds like this. Then he does a pull off from the B string to the G on the 9th to the 6 on the high E. So it sounds like this. And there's a pull off from the 9 to the 8 to the 6 on the G. Then play that 8th on the G, the 6 on the B, and 6 on the G. All together. Enjoy this content. I'll leave another video up there you can watch next. Then what he does, he plays the 6th fret on the G string. He bends it on the 1st and the 3rd time with artificial harmonic. Then he plays the 8th on the D and 8th on the A. Then a whole step bend on the D string, the 6th fret with a artificial harmonic. Then he plays 8, 6 on the D, 8 on the A, back to 6 on the D, then 8, 7, 6 on the A, slide from the 6 to the 4, hammer off from the 4 to 6, and then pull off. Now the tapping section, he taps on the 13, pull from 9 to 6, tap again, now 9, 8, 6, pull off. Do that again. Now tap on 13 and pull off 9 to 6 on the B. Go to the G string, do the same thing. Now here you're going to tap from 13, then hammer on to the 10. Do the same thing on the A. Then a whole step bend on the 6th fret line. Slide to the 11th on the E string. Then whole step bend on the G string. Then release it. Pull off to the 4th string. Back to the 8. All together. 8, 11 on the D, 10 on the G, 11 on the B, 8, 11 on the high E. And slide from that 11 to the 13th, pick the 9, and then hammer on to the 11. And slide up, then 15, 16, 18, pretty much the rest of the lick. Play that twice on the A and D string first. Then 15, 16, 18 on the G and B. Just one time. And hammer on pull off from the 15th to the 16th on the high E.